So we are at St. Vrain Valley High School that we're building here in Frederick, Colorado. It's crazy to think about that as a college student that I'm involved in such a big operation, and I think it's just one of the coolest things. I started in mechanical engineering, and I got all the way up to differential equations, and then I decided I don't want to do math like this every day for a living. So I switched into construction management my second year of college. I was able, with summer session classes, able to push my timeline forward. So instead of graduating within 6 years, I'm graduating in 4.5. And I think summer session, particularly internships, as well as I'm doing a couple of classes on the side of it, it really helps you develop and grow both as a person, but also within your industry. And I think that being able to step into this internship, the 3 internships I've done with FCI, have been the most beneficial thing that I've been able to do during my time at CSU. I think there's only so much that you can actually learn in the classroom during the school year. The teachers are going to do their best to educate you with the book knowledge and those soft skills, but it really comes down to getting out in the field and doing it, which is where you're going to hone them in and kind of take yourself to the next level. And then we also get to, of course, build the relationships with the industry, which are going to carry over as we step into our careers post-graduation. I remember the first day that I started with FCI, I came onto the job site, first job site that I'd ever actually worked on. And I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to know everything, but I'm going to know some stuff. And then I quickly realized that I knew absolutely nothing. While I've learned and while I've grown and progressed from where I started that day, what I've realized is it's a continual process, never going to be done learning, never going to be done growing. I've come a long ways and there's a long ways to go, but I'm excited to see where I go.